Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Anu's Tuition. Today we are going to explain the lesson in science subject Eating Habits of Animals. Eating Habits of Animals. Okay, this is class 4 chapter 3 in science subject. Chapter name is Eating Habits of Animals. We will explain this. Okay, we will discuss. See, what are the topics we are going to discuss are what do animals eat? How do animals eat? Food chain. What is the food animals eat, how they will eat, and the food chain of animals. Okay, write down the names of any two animals of the following food habits. Grass eating animals: goat, cow. Goat, cow. Flesh eating animals: lion, tiger. Example. Okay, next. All the living beings need food to survive, to get energy for their growth and to stay healthy. Isn't it, friends and students? All the living beings, including human beings, also need food to survive, to get energy from their growth and to stay healthy. Okay. Animals depends on plants for food directly or indirectly. Animals depends on plants for food directly or indirectly. Yes, sir. Different animals eat different types of foods. Animals depends on plants for food directly or indirectly means they will they will depend on the grass. It is directly. They will depend on the flesh eating animals indirectly. Okay, different animals eat different types of foods. What do animals eat? Animals have different food habits. According to their eating habits, animals can be divided into three classes. Okay, based on the eating habits, the animals can be divided into three classes: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. One is herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Animals are divided into three parts: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Now we are discussing about herbivorous. Okay, now we will discuss about herbivorous. See here, animals that eat only plants are called herbivorous animals or herbivores. They are also known as plant eating animals. For example, cow, deer, goat, elephant, rabbit, horse, and kangaroo. Okay, animals that eat only plants. See here, cow, here deer. Only plant eating animals are called herbivorous animals, and also called herbivores. For example, cow, deer, goat, elephant, rabbit, horse, and kangaroo. These are known as herbivorous animals. Next, carnivorous animals. Animals that hunt and eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals or carnivores. They are also known as flesh-eating animals. For example, crocodile, tiger, wolf, and leopard. Animals that hunt and eat only flesh of other animals. See here, crocodile is eating the fish, and lion and eating the flesh of other animal. They will hunt and they will eat the flesh of other animals. These type of animals are known as carnivorous animals or carnivores. They are also known as the flesh eating animals. For example, crocodile, tiger, wolf, and leopard. Okay, next, omnivorous. We are going to discuss about omnivorous. Omnivorous animals. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Means they will eat plants and also they will eat the flesh of other animals. See here, bear eating here grass, and also bear is eating a fish also. Means they are eating they are a plant eating animal and a flesh eating animals also. These type of animals are known as the omnivorous animals. They get their food more easily than either herbivorous or carnivorous. Bear, pig, cockroach, and rat are omnivorous animals. Human beings are also omnivorous. Yes, we can eat the leafy vegetables, and also we eat the flesh. Means like goat, hen, like that example. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Animals are omnivores. They get their food more easily than either herbivorous or carnivorous. Bear, pig, cockroach, and rat are omnivorous animals. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks in the following words according to food habits of animals. Here is a elephant. It is a herbivorous. Okay. Herbivorous is a plant eating animal. This is a carnivorous. It is a flesh eating animals. Carnivorous. It is a omnivorous. It is a plant eating animal and it is also a flesh eating animal. That's why it is also omnivorous. This is an example of herbivorous. This is elephant is an example of herbivorous, and fox is example of a carnivorous, and the rat is the example of omnivorous. How do animals eat? Different animals eat their food in different ways. The shape of the mouth, jaws and teeth depend on the food that an animal eats. Yes, different animals eat their food in different ways. The shape of the mouth, jaws and teeth depend on the food that an animal eats. Animals that tear and chew flesh. Carnivorous animals have long, sharp and pointed front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew flesh and bones. See here, tiger. It have a two sharp like a knife edges teeth. See here is nothing but a sharp and pointed front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew flesh and bones. See here. Dog, cat, polar bear and tiger are some examples of such animals. Okay, next. Animals that eat grass and chew cud. Some herbivorous animals have sharp, flat front teeth to cut the grass and leaves of plants. See here, teeth of a cow. It have a sharp, flat front teeth to cut the grass and leaves of the plants. They also have strong and broad back teeth to chew their food. They swallow their food first without chewing. While resting, they bring this food back into their mouth and chew with their grinding teeth. This is also known as the chewing the cud. Cow, buffalo and goat are examples of such animals. These type of animals, they will chew the food first and again come back their food into the mouth, and again they started to chewing with their grinding teeth. This process is known as the chewing the curd. Okay, chewing the curd. Cow, buffalo and goat are examples of such animals. Okay, I hope you understand these two topics. Next we are going to another topic. Animals that now. Some animals have very sharp front teeth which help them to break open nuts, seeds and fruits, which they gnaw, which they known as a gnaw. Such teeth are known as gnawing teeth. Example: rabbit, squirrel, mouse and porcupine are examples of such animals. We will see the animals like rabbit in a zoo. Rabbit, it have a very sharp teeth, front sharp teeth which helps to cut the open nuts, seeds and fruits, which they are known as a gnaw. These type of teeth are known as gnawing teeth. Okay, for example, more than examples of these type of teeth like animals are squirrel, mouse and porcupine. Okay, next. Animals that lap their food. Okay, next topic is animals that lap up their food. Some animals drink water or milk with quick movements of their tongue. This is called lapping. For example, dog and cat. Lapping means drinking water or milk with the help of a tongue. Okay, cat lapping milk. Example, cat and dog. And the next example is very important point is mosquitoes and butterflies do not have tongue. They have a special tube to suck their food called proboscis. Okay, next. And the next topic is food chain. Before that, here we have some fill in the blanks. Rabbits dash their food. Rabbits chew. See here. Rabbits Rabbit chew their food. Next, lizard swallow its food as a whole. Some herbivorous animals chew the grass. Tigers have strong, sharp teeth. Next, food chain. Food chain. Next topic is food chain, and it is the last topic, I think. In the living world, all animals feed on other animals or plants and in turn become food for other animals. In the living world, this is a living world, all animals feed on other plants or animals and in turn become food for other animals. This chain of eating and being eaten is called a food chain. See here, grass is eaten by a grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by a frog. Frog is eaten by a snake. Snake is eaten by a eagle. This food chain of eating animals from one another, eating another animal, this type of chain is known as a food chain. In the living world, all animals feed on other animals or plants, in return become food for other animals. This chain of eating and being eaten is called a food chain. All animals depend on plants for food directly or indirectly. Thus, a plant is always at the beginning of the food chain. The plant is the beginning of the food chain. And once again I am repeating, grass is eaten by the grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by frog. Frog is eaten by snake. Snake is eaten by a eagle. For example, a grasshopper eats grass. A frog eats grasshopper. A snake eats fruit. A snake eats frog. A snake can be eaten by an eagle. Next. Important points here is there. Herbivorous, animals that eat only plants. Carnivorous, animals that eat flesh of other plants. Omnivorous is nothing but animals that eat both plants and animals. Lapping, taking up liquid with quick tongue movements, that is called a lapping. Examples for this is cat and dog. Food chain, the chain of eating and being eaten by animals is called a food chain. From this chapter explanation, I know means what we discussed in this chapter means animals need food for energy, growth and to stay healthy. The shape of the mouth and the teeth of animal depends on the food they eat. Yes, on the basis of their food habits, animals can be herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Sucking, growing, lapping, swallowing are some ways in which different animals eat their food. The process of eating and being eaten is known as a food chain. See here some true or falses are there. We will see here. Butterflies are blood sucking animals. False. Frog chew their food. False. Snakes are herbivorous animals. False. Bear is a omnivorous animal. True. It is a plant eating and a flesh eating animal. Butterflies swallow their food after chewing. False. The process of eating and being eaten is called a food chain. Is it true? Next, fill in the blanks are there. We will see here. Cats lap milk with their tongue. Already we discussed, no, children, tongue. Next, dash animals are plant eating animals. Herbivorous. Herbivorous are called plant eating animals. Dash animals are flesh eating animals. Carnivorous or dash animals eat both flesh and plant. Omnivorous. Dash gnaw their food. Rabbits. Here rabbits is there, that's why we have to write here. Next. Here next match the following is there. We will finish it. Flesh eating animals. Carnivorous. Plant eating animals, herbivorous. Animals which live in water, fish. Blood sucking animals, leech. Lizards swallow food without chewing. Next question and answers are there. We will tell one time. Answer the following questions. What are carnivorous animals? Give two examples of omnivorous animals. How do leeches and butterflies eat food? How do carnivorous animals eat their food? What is a food chain? What is chewing the cud? How do lizards and frogs catch their food? Make a food chain of the following animals: robin, worm, and hawk. Next, I hope you understand the explanation of this chapter, students. Eating habits of a animals. It's a chapter 3, class 4, subject science. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Please support my channel, subscribe, click the bell icon for the notification. Next, share and like. Okay, thanks for watching.